Good morning, people from the internet. We are still in California, but we are moving towards north. We just woke up in a hotel, we left Los Angeles and we are going north towards San Francisco. And from Los Angeles to San Francisco, there's one more city that we really want to visit because there's someone there that I was inspired by and watched on YouTube for a long time, and it's on our way, so we're gonna go there and check it out. And we're gonna take you with us. Okay, we're here, but this looks like a dangerous hood.
Cars. Enjoy. Are you gonna film?
I don't know. Should I? I don't know. Okay, we are here. This is next day. We had some good time yesterday, and today is the day where we're gonna start filming the actual video. We didn't want to come yesterday with the camera on your face as well. Just want to meet first.
What up, boys?
But today, camera's gonna be on your face, bruv.
What up, everybody?
The beautiful hair, man. Can I touch?
Yeah, of course.
Bro.
Welcome to the shop.
Cool.
Sweet setup, dude. So yesterday we took the boys to go eat real Mexican food. How was
We
it?
had Mexican. It was super sick. I was drinking a beer with tomato juice in it, and then we had some drinks and poker night.
Yeah.
We lost all the money, so.
Welcome to California. We had to at least
thank
get some money back.
Thank you, man.
We
It
had
was
to
fun.
scam these guys real quick.
Yeah.
Little poker night at the house. Had the homies come through. But welcome to the shop. Out of all the cars here, which one's your favorite?
This is the car I love. Yeah, I'd like to see it like on the floor driving. Body.
Probably not gonna happen. Bad luck S13. Bad luck.
Bad luck.
Yep.
Well, maybe one day.
One day.
Thirsty 30, but that's
Yeah.
It's like your cursed E30?
Yeah, no, never works.
Look how tall these guys are next to me.
Yes.
You want problem?
No, I don't want problem. From here, I could punch your nutsack.
Honey. So I was just walking around the cars, just filming around. Then I come back after 5 minutes. Yeah, sorry, I'm trying to figure out what the situation is.
That's all.
Thank you.
Okay.
And that's a wrap!
Anyway. Randy sorted us out with a lot of merch. Thank you very much, man. Thank you. So cool. I was always checking out this merch, but like the shipping is so expensive, and now we have opportunity to have it. So like all these boxes, this is all merch.
Now I'm thinking that we should change up a bit because we never have anything in stock.
We got something for you, buddy.
More stuff?
Yeah. Check this one out. Ready? I think you're gonna like this one.
Yeah?
I think you're gonna like this one. Hold up. None of these are available on the website, by the way.
Okay.
So you guys know. So you don't have to come to the website. But
Exclusive.
Ready,
Ooh.
ready?
Okay. Back. Yo, with the FD.
yeah, the FD.
That's so nice. It is so nice, bro. Your style is like so good.
Thank you, bro. That's for you.
Woo! So we bring you the cheapest Polish beer, and you gave us this.
Yeah. Yeah, it's cool. Fair trade, right?
Fair trade. Is that something new?
Yeah, it's unreleased. None of us have it yet.
Ah, show the back. Show the back. Show the back. What's the website? What's the website to get these?
Illiminate.com, guys.
Amy, you should have something for dogs as well, so she can rock it.
We should. We should.
So much cool stuff. Illiminate.com. If you guys from the US, cheap shipping. This stuff is amazing, and the quality of it is just so good as well. Go check it out. Illiminate.com. Now the plan for the rest of the day is to take a couple cars, maybe 1 or 2, and hit the road, film some nice cinematics, film the cars. Randy is teaching Boogie how to use airlift in Supra, which means that Boogie's gonna drive a Supra. This Supra that's gonna be on a giveaway in a couple of days. Man, what a road!
Right?
Wow!
Look behind you.
Yo! Look at the view, man! Woo!
Can't do much when the years rip off. Can't do much and I'm sorry about that. Can't do much when the vibe is off. And I stay locked in for days and about that. Stay locked in for days and the whole path. Riding away, can you tell me if you feel that? I ain't gon' get it back, tell me if you want that. Can't do much when the years rip off. Can't do much and I'm sorry about that. Can't do much when the vibe is off. And I stay locked in for days and about that. Stay locked in for days and the whole path. Riding away, can you tell me if you feel that? I ain't gon' get it back, tell me if you want that. There was nobody home, I was jumping the party. I was doing what I want, there was no one to stop me. They were looking at me different, is it cause of my body? When I look up in the mirror, I ain't seeing nobody. I don't play with my feelings, I don't play with the money. It's hard to feel the same when I know you don't love me. I don't feel the same cause I know that it's on me. What I felt that night, I don't feel in the morning. You don't show.
You guys ride stick? I mean, drive stick?
What? Yeah, like 95% cars are stick in Europe.
Oh, it's not a car.
Yeah. What? Talking about this? You talking about this?
Short shifter.
Short. You know, some people on the internet, they behave a certain way, and you meet them and they like completely different. These guys are truly the same. Not fake as fuck. Yeah. Thank you very much, man. Thank you for the merch.
Of course.
And look, cheers. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Can't do much when the years rip off. Can't do much and I'm sorry about that. Can't do much when the vibe is off. And I stay locked in for